Okay, all right. What's good? Appreciate you guys tuning in today. Appreciate you guys tuning in today. And today we are gonna be reacting to New Edition. Can you stand the rain? Um, I've heard of this song before. I've heard this song before, but I've never seen the video before. So yeah, excited to see the video and to see what they got. What's really happening? I'm trying to see what's going on. I'm trying to see what y'all got. Let me know what y'all got. Let me see. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into the video. And I got to see what they got and I got to see how they be doing stuff. Okay? So let's go ahead and get into the video. And I ain't gonna hold y'all up no more. I'ma just go ahead and get into it. Mhm.
On a perfect day, I know that I can count on you. When that's not possible, tell me, can you ever restore?
Oh, why they look like I think that man named Johnny Gill that I reacted to. They look like him. The one, I forgot the name of the song I reacted to, but it's on my page. I just reacted to it. That's who that look like and it sound like him. So do.
Cause I need somebody who will stand by me through the good times and bad times. She would always be right there. Sunny days, everybody loves them. Tell me, baby, can you stand the rain? Storms will come. This we know for sure. This we know for sure. Can you stand the rain? Love unconditional. I'm not asking just of
That's
you.
him. That's him.
Girl, to make it last, I'll do whatever needs to be done. But I need somebody who will stand by me. When it's tough, she won't run. She will always be right there for me. Sunny days, everybody loves them. Tell me, can you stand up? Can you stand it? Oh, storms will come. I know, all the days won't be perfect. But Shabby, can you stand it? Can you stand up? Can you stand the rain? Can you stand up? Can you stand up? No pressure, no pressure from me, baby. 'Cause I want you and I need you and I love.
I know. I thought it's the group. I think this the group that Bobby Brown was in. I'm looking for Bobby Brown. I don't see Bobby Brown unless I don't recognize him because he look younger. But that's who I'm looking for too. Unless I don't know. Unless some members missing.
Tell me, baby, will you be there for me? Come on, baby, let's go get wet.
Okay, that was pretty cool. That was pretty cool. I like they how they walk together in sequence with they long jackets on. That was pretty cool. That was cool. I liked it. That was a lovely tune. Yeah, so yeah, I gotta add that to my playlist. Yeah, so I want to thank you guys for tuning in to this video. Thank you guys for liking and commenting and subscribing and all the good stuff. Make sure you guys tune in for more videos, and I will see you guys on the next video. Okay. Okay.